Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and I have the QIDI-580 out for the maiden flight, or the highlighter plane, I think I'll call it that. It's very fitting with this color, but it's a really cloudy day, so hoping it will be visible in the air. Yeah, tail dragger. I just charged the battery. They say it's 1S 1000 milliamp hours, but it was at storage voltage around 3.8 volts, and my charger showed it only took about 360 milliamps till full. So I'll take that 1000 milliamp with a grain of salt. Hopefully we get at least 5 minutes, maybe more. It's on the stock radio. Tail dragger. Hopefully it will only drag the tail and not its feet in the air. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we've got things wiggling. I'm in beginner mode. Let's arm it. And what the hell? Ooh. Okay, that's not good. See, that's why they made this tricycle and not a tail dragger. At least they give you a spare prop. Okay, road's clear. Let's try again. Okay, gave it some elevator this time. Oh, it's flying. It's full speed. It's pretty fast. Pretty visible if you don't take it too far away. I think the blue version would have been even worse. If you haven't checked out my unboxing, I'll leave a link to that, or a card or something to show up. Ooh, got some birds. Okay, you know what? It's not bad so far. Still in beginner mode. I'm a bit scared because it has this intermediate mode. It says inverted. I hope it won't flip the plane. Yeah, not bad so far. I don't know, I feel let's fly a bit better than the Mall from QIDI, or at least smoother. Lights, you can see them a bit. I've got a car coming. Stay away from the road. You know what? It's not a bad airplane. For $50. Okay, let's flip to the middle mode. Okay, it's not inverted, as it said in the manual. It's just a bit more control. Yeah, when it's starting to rain. But we're here in the name of science, testing this. Okay, and full-on manual mode. Let me turn first. Full speed. Ooh, yeah, I was trying to do a loop there. Ooh, and another car coming. Okay, I'm back to beginner. Okay, it's a bit touchy, and those birds are just chasing it. I don't think they like it. Come on, birdies, not gonna get me. Yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of enjoying this more than I did the E-flite UMX Cirrus on the maiden. At least in this beginner mode. Yeah, I can fly it in a pretty small area. Okay. Flying level. I'm in advanced mode now. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, let's try a roll. Pretty slow. And then the other side, yeah. Woo! Got disoriented there a bit. Man, and the rain is really starting. Glad I got to fly it at least a bit. Okay, let's try flying it close by so you can get a better look at it. You know what, for $50 I can recommend this all day. Maybe not a first plane, maybe try them all first. The QIDI-580 might be a bit easier to fly, being a high wing plane, but it's not bad. I mean, wow, $50 ready to fly. Yeah, the advanced or manual mode was a bit sketchy. Oh, I'm trying to do tricks. What's with all this traffic today? And in this gyro mode, and you know what, the E-sheen planes, those little 1S warbirds, they cost more than this, and they come with a brushed motor, so and I'm really glad I got this color now instead of the blue and silver. It keeps on going. No idea how long I've been flying, but I think I'm well over the 5 minutes. I mean, if they made this 2S and a steerable gear, it would have been almost perfect. But I think QIDI has a type of a flat 3D plane that runs on 2S. I might look into that, see if those electronics are compatible. They might not have lights, but that's no biggie. And if I can attach that tail wheel to the rudder, or even better, move it to the front. Although I have no idea how I would do that. Yeah, the rudder's pretty ineffective. Need to do coordinated turns. I usually like to use rudder. Let's try without any rudder. Just bank and yank. Yeah, it does it, but this is with rudder now. Definitely helps. And another car. Oh my god. What's going on today? And it's really picking up. Let's see if I can land this in one piece. Oh god. Another car from the other side. Hope the battery lasts. Or well, at least they can land tail draggers better than tricycle gear planes. Ooh. And there you go. Woohoo! Maiden done, and honestly I wasn't expecting this. So for $50 ready to fly. The E-flite one, yeah, it's just a tad bigger, but it's $190, almost 4 times the price. And you need a battery, a radio, a charger for that. Assuming you don't have them, so yeah, it's not a bad beginner plane. And even for someone more advanced, it could be fun. The look, finish is not perfect, but in the air you won't see it anyway. Flies nice, smooth, at least in the gyro assisted mode. That manual mode, level flying was okay. Whew, that was exciting. So what do you think, guys? Would you buy this for $50? I certainly can recommend it. Probably next time I'll try to take the E-flite one out and fly them one after the other, see how they feel. And hopefully I can connect this to my Radio Master Zorro. I feel a better radio would help. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to do or show or talk about this. Don't forget to check out the unboxing if you haven't seen it. I also compare it to the E-flite one there. Like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. More videos coming. And I'll see you next time. Bye!